నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు న్యూస్ సార్ ఆరో రోజు అసెంబ్లీ సమావేశాలు కొనసాగుతున్నాయి లైవ్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం
In sub clause 10 of clause 2 include the definition of land to mean all land irrespective of its uses including agricultural land, non-agricultural land, abadi or grama kantam or endowment or waqf land, sir. We have also proposed an amendment of sub clause 1 of clause 3 to the effect that nothing in this act shall apply to land belonging to the state government, central government or endowment or waqf, sir. Sir, another amendment we have given, sir. Sir, me by not stopping and continuing my speech shows that how committed we are towards the people who have sent us here, sir. And these people showing and agitating shows how committed they are for one family. Continue. For one individual. They are agitating for one individual. I have come for my state, sir. I have come for my farmers. I have come for the waqf land. I have come for the BCs, SCs, sir. Sir, and another amendment to subclause 3, which I mentioned, the objective of these 3 amendments is to ensure effective protection of endowments and waqf lands in the state, sir. We also suggest to the government to bring in official amendments to some specific clause of the bill, sir. The record of right is deemed to be prepared under this bill as per the subclause 4 of clause 4, sir. This is highly objectionable because the ROR Act 2020 contains thousands of unauthorized entries. Thousands of unauthorized entries, sir. This needs to be corrected, sir. The government's remedy to correct these unauthorized entries before the new act come into force has to be mentioned clearly through an official amendment, I would say, sir. Because, sir, इसमें कितने thousands है, sir. Thousands irregular है, sir. Sir, clause 14 does not specify whether the land tribunals are proposed to be formed at the district level or state level, sir. The bill is not saying that, sir. The composition of the tribunal is also not mentioned in the bill, sir. Sir, an official amendment is needed to bring again clarity on this also, sir. So similarly, clause 16 confers the revision powers of commissioner only and excludes the district collectors and tribunal at district level, sir. Sir, ये बहुत important है, sir. This is very important. Again, sir, where they have excluded the district collectors and the tribunals are at district level, an official amendment is required to bring clarity on this issue also, sir. It's very important issue, sir. Sir, we have suggested that the subclause 1 of clause 6 be deleted or modified through an official amendment to take this provision to deal only with pending application for sada, bayanama and foreclose the option for prospective clearance, sir. This is because the sada bayanama regularization has been going on for the last 30 years, sir. And giving further time is not desirable, sir, and it leads to severe complications and open the doors for corruption, I would say, sir. Sir, it has been 30 years that sada bayanama was regularized, sir. But and sada bayanama is what, sir? It is just a plain paper. It's just a plain paper. It is not even a notarized paper, sir. When in